Hello, good morning, children. How are you all are? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, my name is Shilpa ma'am and I am your UKG mother teacher. So, begin today's class. So, let's begin by prayer. All of you join your hands and close your eyes. And let's say shloka. So, you can repeat after me. I'll give the gap. You repeat after me. So, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Okay, children, another prayer song is there, that is, O God, help us to do to others as we should, not to hate but to love. Send us from peace above. Okay, now open your eyes. So, children, today at what time you got up? Okay, everyone have to got up early to bed and early to rise. That is a good habit. So, children, did you brush your teeth? Okay, everyone have to brush teeth before having breakfast, and you have to wash, clean and neat with the soap. Okay, before having food and after having food. Okay, and you have to eat healthy breakfast. So, children, today we are going to learn pre-writing skills, that is slanting line, standing line, curve and slipping line. Okay, children? First we are going to learn standing line. See, this is a portion of standing line. The pencil is in a standing position. So this is also standing line. The duster also in straight standing position. So duster also standing line. The example of standing line. Now children, from top to bottom, from top to bottom is a standing line. Okay. From top to bottom, this is a standing line. Top to bottom, this is a standing line. Top to bottom, this is a standing line. Now we are going to learn another line, that is a slanting line. So children, I'll give an example for slanting line. So children, see, the rain is falling. So from top to bottom, slanting line. The top to bottom, slanting line. 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 In slanting line, two types of slanting lines are there. One is a right slanting line, another is a left slanting line. So, I have drawn your Right slanting line. Now I'm going to teach you right left slanting line. So top to bottom slanting line, top to bottom slanting line, top to bottom slanting line. So in slanting line there are two types. One is right slanting line, another is left slanting line. Okay. Now we are going to learn a sleeping line. So this is a portion of sleeping line from right to left sleeping line. 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 Okay. So I'm going to show you a sleeping line from right to left sleeping line. From right to left sleeping line. From right to left is a sleeping line. Okay children. Now next one is a curve. See, curve. Okay, curve. In curve also two types of curves are there. One right curve, another is left curve. Left curve. From top to bottom, top to bottom curve. Right side and left side. Two types of curves are there. One is right, one is a left. Okay children. So these are our basic pre-writing skills. So children, here I will introduce you lines. Trace the dotted standing lines from top to bottom. From top to bottom, this is a standing line. Now, from top to bottom, from top to bottom, from top to bottom, this is a right slanting line. Now, from top to bottom, from top to bottom, this is a left slanting line. Okay. Now, sleeping line from right to left, right to left, sleeping line. Now, curve, top to bottom, curve, top to bottom, curve. Okay. So children, now I am going to teach you how to write alphabet. Are you ready? Okay. So from top to bottom, one slanting line. From top to bottom, another slanting line. And one sleeping line makes A. Makes A alphabet. Okay. Top to bottom, one slanting line. Another slanting line is top to bottom. Another slanting line. Now sleeping line, it's makes a alphabet. Okay. From top to bottom. From top to bottom and one sleeping line. So this is a A. Now next one is one standing line. So what we have to do? From top to down we have to take. From top to down we have to take. Then one small curve. Another small curve. It's made B. B letter. One standing line, one curved line, another curved line. It makes B. Okay? A, B. Now third one is C. One curved line. One curved line. So it makes a C. C alphabet. From top to bottom we have to take. From top to bottom we have to take. So it's a C. One standing line. One standing line. From top to bottom. And one curve. And one curve. It makes D alphabet. Okay children? A, B, C, D. Did you understand? Okay. When we have to write A, that time we have to use two slanting line. One is right slanting line, another is left slanting line, and one slipping line. It makes A. When we have to write B, that time we have to use one standing line, one curved line, another curved line. Total two curve. Okay. Now when we have to write C, we have to draw curve. It makes C. Now when we have to write D, one standing line and one curve. It makes D. So today we learn A, B, C, D. These four alphabet today we learn. Now we have to write. I'll show you how to write in your notebooks. In your notebooks, children, you have three notebooks. One is 4-line book. One is your four-line book. Okay, and square book, and one 3-line book. So total 3 books you have. So today English you have to write in 4-line book. Okay children, in your notebook there are 4 lines, 1 pink line and 2 blue line and 1 pink line. Total 4 lines are there, 2 pink line and 2 blue lines. So children, first of all you have to write your date and day. So today's date is, children see here, today's date is 12/7/2020. 12 because today's date is 12. In 1 month, 30 or 31 days are there. So today's date is 12 and 7 because children in 1 year 12 months are there. So July is 7th month. First month is January, February, March, April, May, June, July. See? So July is 7th month. So I wrote here 7. Now 2021, the year is 2021 and you have to write Monday. Today is Monday, so you have to write here Monday. Monday spelling is M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. So in this margin you have to write the date and day. Okay. So I have here 4 line, 1 pink line, 2 blue line, another is pink line. Total 4 line I have. So now I teach you how to write. One slanting line, another slanting line, one slipping line. It makes A. After this, you have to keep 3 fingers distance. Then you have to write one standing line, one curve from pink line to blue line, another curve from blue line to another blue line. This makes B. Okay, A. After A, you have to keep 3 fingers distance. You have to take 3 fingers distance and then you have to write next letter, that is B. Now after B you have to write again, you have to keep 3 fingers distance. You have to take, then next letter is C. One curve. After C, you have to take 3 fingers distance. Then you have to write one standing line and one curve from pink line to blue line. Total 3 lines you have to use. Okay. Now I am going to show you in your notebook also. Same. See children, here you have to write today's date 12/19/07/2021, Monday. Okay. Now see, total 4 lines are there in your notebook also. Same. One pink, 2 blue, 2 pink, 2 blue. So from pink line to blue line, one slanting line, another slanting line and one slipping line. After A, you have to keep 3 fingers distance, then one standing line, from pink line to blue line, then from pink to blue, one curve, another curve from blue to blue. After B, you have to keep again 3 fingers distance, then you have to curve. From pink line to blue line, you have to write C. Again 3 finger distance take, then one standing line and one curved line. Okay children, see, A, B, C and D. This is today's your homework. This full page you have to write neat and clean. In 3 lines only you have to write this. Okay? See children. This is your today's homework. Okay? So children, today we learn pre-writing skills and 4 alphabet. That is A, B, C and D. And pre-writing skills are standing line, slanting line, slipping line and curve. Okay? So children, now we are going to learn next subject, that is English, Hindi. So आज हम लोगों को हिंदी के स्वरमाला सीखना है। आपको सबको दिखाई दे रहा है बच्चे? ये है अ, आ, ई, बड़ी को खींच के पढ़ा जाता है। ई, छोटी ऊ, बड़ी बड़ी ऊ को हमको खींच के पढ़ना चाहिए। इसके लिए ऊ, रू, ए, ओ, औ, आहा। मैं फिर से पढ़ाऊंगी आपको। इसको स्वर कहते हैं। अ से आहा तक को स्वर कहते हैं। अ, आ, ई, ऊ, रू, ए, ओ, औ, आहा। अब अ से क्या आता है? अ से अनार। अनार सबको पसंद है बच्चे? सब बच्चों को अनार पसंद है ना? तो अ से अनार। आ से क्या है? सबका फेवरेट है ये तो, सबका फेवरेट है फ्रूट, मेरा भी फेवरेट है। तो ये आ से आम। ई से इमारत, बिल्डिंग को इमारत कहते हैं। फिर बड़ी ई से ईख। ईख शुगर केन, सबको पसंद है ना शुगर केन? ओके। ऊ से उपहार। उपहार मतलब गिफ्ट, सबको पसंद है ना गिफ्ट, मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है गिफ्ट, कोई मुझे देता है या मैं किसी को देती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत पसंद है। तो ऊ से उपहार। ऊ से ऊन। रू से ऋषि। ए से एक। ए से ऐनक। इसको हमारे दादा दादी नाना नानी पापा ये सब लोग पहनते हैं ना, आजकल तो सभी लोग पहनते हैं। तो ए से ऐनक। ओ से ओखली। औ से औरत। अंग से अंगूर। अंगूर मतलब ग्रेप्स। आहा। ठीक है। अभी आप सभी के पास में बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक हिंदी सब्जेक्ट है, सो इसमें है आपको पेज नंबर 4 निकालना है। पहचानो और बोलो। अ से क्या आता है? अ से अनार। अ से अदरक। अ से अनार भी आता है, अ से अदरक भी आता है। फिर आ से आम। आ से आलू। आ से आम भी आता है, आ से आलू भी आता है। ई से इमली। इमली तो सबको पसंद है ना, तो ई से इमली। ई से इडली। ई से ईख। ई से ईद। ई से ईद, बड़ी ई से ईद। ऊ से उल्लू। ऊ से उपहार। ऊ से ऊपर। ऊपर दिखा रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे, ऊ से ऊपर। ऊ से ऊन। रू से ऋषि। रू से ऋषभ। सो आपको इतना पेज नंबर 4, पेज नंबर 4, पेज नंबर 5, पेज नंबर 6 ये आपको घर पे मम्मा और पापा के सामने, मम्मा या पापा के सामने आपको पढ़ना है। ओके। आप ऊपर आज का डेट डाल के 12/7/2021 डाल के होमवर्क लिख सकते हैं। यहाँ पे HW होमवर्क आपको लिखना है, आपको इसको पढ़ना है। पेज नंबर 4, पेज नंबर 5 एंड पेज नंबर 6, इस तीनों पेज को आपको घर पे पढ़ना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है। आपकी कौन सी बुक है ये? आपकी हिंदी बुक है। हिंदी बुक में पेज नंबर 4, 5, 6 इसको आपको पढ़ना है। ये आपका आज का होमवर्क। इंग्लिश में मैंने क्या होमवर्क दिया है? व्हाट आई हैड गिवन इन इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट? यू हैव टू राइट ABCD लेटर्स इन हिंदी। इसको 4, 5, 6 पेजेस को आपको पढ़ना है। ओके। अच्छे बच्चों के जैसे आप लोगों को घर पे रहना है, मम्मी पापा के साथ में बाहर जाना है, मास्क, बिना मास्क के कहीं पे भी नहीं जाना है, और खाने से पहले, हर एक चीज़ से पहले आपको अपने हाथों को अच्छे से साफ करना चाहिए। ओके। तो आज ही हमारी यहाँ पे क्लास खत्म हुई, फिर से कल मिलेंगे। सो बाय बाय, हैव अ गुड डे।